Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change the theme on your CoinStats application. To change theme on the CoinStats mobile app, first of all, launch open the CoinStats application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are inside, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now inside the More menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Scroll down to Theme option and then you can switch between dark, light, and auto. To change to a dark theme, make sure to select dark, and after you are done with it, you will be able to see your theme changed for your CoinStats account. The dark mode is ideal for low light environment and it can help conserve battery life on devices with OLED screens. If you go ahead and look for the auto option, then the system allows the app to automatically match your phone's light or dark mode settings. So that's how you easily switch between the themes on your CoinStats app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.